I was going to order some pizza.
Ooh, yay.
Oh, is that Ruthie's? Yeah. You were laying your down and your head like Ruthie was on Annie's shoulder. Oh.
I missed you. I haven't seen you in a while. Oh, we got big girl panties on?
Yeah.
Ooh.
You've been going potty?
And she has been going on the potty by herself too.
Whoa.
She picks up the stool, puts it in front of the TV, and pulls her pants down all by herself and sits down.
That is so good.
One more month and you'll be doing the same.
Are you hungry?
You hungry? You want some fruit? I got some watermelon.
Oh,
Some fruit?
stretch it.
Ain't she cute?
She's a dog.
True canard with all that dark hair.
There you go.
If it just had a canard face, it'd be alright. You know, speaking of Curran, I got something for you in bed.
Oh, is that right? Fantastic. I'll take it.
She's a little one, Mom. She's not even a week old.
I know it. She's trying to sit up.
4 or 5 days, that's about it. Can you get her? There you go.
Don't let her tackle you now.
Yeah.
Don't let her tackle you. She's not that big.
Yeah,
You're telling secrets? Uh-huh.
we're talking.
All right.
That's right. Uh-huh.
Boy, she does have a lot of dark hair.
Yeah, she does.
She just...
Oh, she's so
Oh,
sweet.
there's a burp.
Won't be long. She and I'll be playing in the bed.
Y'all both will be holding on to something to steady yourself.
I better let you take it.
Come here, little girl. Come here.
She's not a bit bothered.
You see those little feet?
Uh-huh.
Little
She's
legs?
got little fat cheeks. Yes, she does.
A lot of color.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's nice.
What you got? What are you eating? Is that hamburger? Oh, she's gonna give you some.
Uh-huh. Thank you.
Got a lot of Curran in there.
Got one eye open.
One eye,
Mhm. That's right. Now try with the other eye.
He gets one open there.
Yes, sweetie. We can if you'd like. I think I could handle it. Does Gracie want to see?
There, she opened both of them.
I just yawn.
Big yawn. Oops, sorry.
Yes, sweetheart. Yeah, I'm fine.